Many people love the delicious taste of a hot mocha drink. The combination of coffee and chocolate creates an irresistible drink combination. If you're a coffee lover, you'll love this Mocha Buttercream frosting by Martha Stewart. This delicious Mocha Buttercream frosting pairs great with many desserts, especially chocolate cake and brownies. This recipe does require some baking experience, as some of the steps can be a bit tricky. However, the result of a creamy, rich buttercream is well worth the work. What is mocha? Many people know that mocha is a coffee drink with chocolate added to it. However, mochas got their name from the mocha coffee bean. Mocha coffee beans originated in Mocha, Yemen, and are known for their natural chocolate flavor. Mocha coffee beans are a species of Coffea arabica plant and were the first coffee beans to be cultured. Arabica coffee beans are known for their sweet flavor and are the most popular type of coffee beans. Mochas can also be referred to as cafe mocha or mochaccino. They are a popular drink worldwide thanks to their delicious pairing of chocolate and coffee. When making a mocha, baristas will add chocolate to the coffee to enhance the natural chocolate flavor found in mocha beans. Generally, a mocha is made up of espresso, chocolate, milk, and a thin layer of milk foam on top. It can be served either hot or cold. Mochas can come in several different variations, including salted caramel and white chocolate. They are a popular drink and can be found at many coffee shops. When making mocha desserts, instant espresso powder is often used. Instant espresso powder is often made from coffee beans that were ground, brewed, dried, and then ground into a very fine powder. It can give desserts a nice mocha flavor and pairs great with anything chocolate. What you will need. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons instant espresso powder. For large egg whites, room temperature. 3 sticks unsalted butter, room temperature, divided into small pieces. 2 tablespoons hot water. 1 1/4 cup sugar. 5 ounces semi-sweet chocolate, chopped, melted, and cooled. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. In a small bowl, mix espresso powder and hot water. Stir until espresso powder dissolves. Step 2. Heat the egg whites and sugar in a heat-proof bowl over a pan of simmering water. Whisk until egg whites are warm to the touch and the sugar has dissolved approximately 2 to 3 minutes. The mixture should have a smooth texture. Step 3. Whisk the egg white mixture with an electric mixer on medium-high speed until stiff, glossy peaks form and the mixture cools for approximately 10 minutes. Step 4. Reduce speed to medium-low and gradually add in the cut pieces of butter. Whisk well after each addition of butter. Step 5. Switch to a paddle attachment and reduce the speed on the mixer to low. Beat in the espresso mixture and melted chocolate until smooth. Beat the frosting for 3 to 5 minutes to reduce air bubbles. Cover with plastic wrap and keep it at room temperature until ready to use. Tips and tricks. To get the best coffee flavor in this buttercream frosting, make sure to use instant espresso powder and mix it with hot water. This provides better flavor and texture than using brewed coffee from a coffee maker. Make sure to use instant espresso powder and not instant coffee powder when making this frosting. Espresso powder is very dark and concentrated instant coffee. It is much more concentrated than coffee powder and provides a more powerful taste. Unlike ground coffee beans, espresso powder is made up of fast-dissolving coffee crystals. Instant espresso powder is generally not used for drinking but is commonly used for dessert recipes. Adding espresso powder also enhances the chocolate flavor of the frosting. Adding a small amount of espresso powder to chocolate cake or brownies can boost the chocolate flavor without giving it a coffee taste. It's an easy way to bring your chocolate desserts up to the next level in flavor. This Mocha Buttercream frosting can be stored at room temperature in an airtight container for up to 3 days. It can be stored in the fridge for up to 1 week and in the freezer for up to 6 months. You will want to let the frosting reach room temperature before using it after storing it in the fridge or freezer so it can reach the proper texture. For this frosting, it is important to make sure that the butter is cut into small pieces and softened to room temperature. This will allow the frosting to reach the proper consistency. Too cold of butter may cause curdling, and too warm of butter may cause the frosting to be runny. Make sure when adding the melted chocolate that it has been fully cooled. If the chocolate is too hot, it will cause the frosting to melt and give it a runny consistency. It will cool down within a couple of minutes, but be sure not to wait too much longer, as the chocolate will begin to harden back up and won't mix smoothly into the frosting. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.